The tale of Mansehra, a district in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan, is one that weaves through centuries, past ancient civilizations and into the modern era. Today, we delve into this riveting history, beginning with the earliest records of human settlement. Steeped in antiquity, the Mansehra district bears the marks of the Gandhara civilization, which thrived here around the 6th century BCE. This was a time when the region buzzed with cultural and economic activity, and the echoes of this vibrant past still resonate in the archaeological remains scattered across the district. Fast forward to the 2nd century BCE, and the district found itself under the rule of the Mauryan Empire, led by the legendary King Ashoka. His reign left indelible imprints in the form of 14 edicts inscribed on 3 large boulders in the city of Mansehra. These ancient texts, believed to be the oldest surviving documents of South Asia, offer fascinating insights into the Mauryan rule. As the centuries turned, the district experienced a kaleidoscope of influences. The Kushans, the Sasanians, the White Huns, they all left their unique fingerprints on the cultural fabric of Mansehra, shaping its destiny in their own ways. The advent of Islam in the 7th century AD brought about a significant shift. The Arab general Muhammad bin Qasim led the charge, bringing the district under the Islamic rule for the first time. This marked a new chapter in the district's history, as it gradually became a stronghold of Muslim culture and influence. From the 16th to the 19th century, Mansehra experienced the sway of various regional powers, including the Mughals, the Duranis, and the Sikhs. Each of these dynasties contributed to the rich tapestry of the district's history, leaving behind a legacy of architectural marvels, cultural traditions, and fascinating tales of power and conquest. The British took control in the 19th century, introducing administrative changes and establishing the district's modern boundaries. The district remained under British rule until Pakistan gained independence in 1947. In the post-independence era, Mansehra has emerged as a district of strategic importance and cultural richness. It has witnessed significant development and growth, all while embracing its historical heritage with pride. To summarize, the history of Mansehra district is a captivating journey through time. From the ancient Gandhara civilization to the modern era, the district has seen a multitude of rulers, each leaving their mark on its culture and identity. The district's past is etched in the Ashoka edicts, reflected in its diverse architecture, and alive in its thriving traditions. This is the story of Mansehra, a tale of resilience, transformation, and enduring legacy.